Transaction keeps track of all activities of income, expense, and transfer between accounts. Money Plus is designed with the most convenient way to handle your daily transaction recording. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create transaction and how to set up daily reminders for recording. Let's go to the list of transaction by selecting Book and Transaction. Since this is a new installation, the list is empty. To create a new transaction, click the plus button on the bottom right corner. Here we have a choice of transaction types. You may create a transaction for an account operation. Let's click the cash account. You can select if you want to transfer money from or to this account with another one, withdraw for an expense, deposit for an income, or adjust balance of this account. Instead of initiating the creation with an account, you may select Income or Expense or Template for routine activities and splitting receipt. I will create a transaction for water bill. Select Expense. Select Utility. Subcategories are shown. Select Water. The transaction entry form is shown. Click From Account to select Account to withdraw money. And select Credit Card, City. The transaction date is default for today. You may change it by clicking the date or arrow. You may also specify this transaction as recurring. Let's stick with today. Now use the keypad to enter the amount, 50. Click the Save button on the bottom right corner of the keypad or on the top right corner of the menu. It would take just a few seconds to create a new transaction. Transaction entry is the most frequently used operation. Money Plus is designed to access it at your fingertip. Besides of the transaction list, you may create a new transaction at Dashboard with the Add New button, Category with any item directly, and the same on the Planning page. You may set up reminders for recording. On App menu, select More Settings. Use Add New button to add reminders at 2 p.m. and 9 p.m. Click Save. At the specified time, notification will be shown on the device. Click on the notification, it will take you to the new transaction entry screen. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you require additional information, you can find detailed documentation in the app menu's help section.